Hi, I'm David Kahn. I'm a public adjuster. You know, my father used to buy cars with a handshake, and he trusted the salesman to give him a fair deal. As you probably already know, he got ripped off every time, and his brother owned a car lot. Now, before you laugh at my father and his naivety in buying cars, please keep in mind that most people, when they buy a homeowner's insurance policy, buy it because they trust the insurance agent. The question you have to ask yourself is that will that insurance company be there when disaster ends up striking your home? That's why you need a public adjuster to first of all review your policy before disaster happens. And then second of all, when disaster happens, you need a team on your side, because insurance, the big insurance company, you better bet have their team. And their team's job is to keep the money in their pockets and not do the repairs. This isn't the good old days when the insurance companies used to pay what was due to the homeowner according to their policy. Nowadays, big insurance companies load up with experts, and the job of those experts is to do one thing: to deny the homeowner what is rightfully due to them based on their policy. Therefore, you need a public adjuster firm that's large enough that can go and fight for what is right for the homeowner. That's why almost every state in the United States has authorized licensed public adjusters who will fight for the homeowners. But we can't go to work for you unless you call us. When disaster strikes you, don't go up against the big insurance companies by yourself. It's just not fair to you. It really is heartbreaking to see that once beautiful neighborhood where I took that video left devastated, with so many people still struggling to recover after these many months. After all, a majority of those homeowners have faithfully paid for years on insurance policies that promise to restore their homes in the event of just such a catastrophe. So the question is, how effective are public adjusters? Policyholders who use public adjusters received an estimated $9,379 on their claims, compared to $1,391 for those policyholders that did not use a public adjuster. A difference of 574%. That's not my word, that's the word of the OPPAGA, Office of Program Policy Analysis and Government Accountability. I work for the largest public adjusting firm in the United States. We have some of the best trained and knowledgeable professionals in the industry. Our team of insurance professionals are committed to helping our clients, the homeowners, receive a full and just settlement according to their policies. Even if your insurance company has paid you, we can reopen the claim. Our professional advice is always free. You just need to call me, 404-477-4958.